guys, you're welcome on my channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the bird flu virus that is the next concern emerging in India after COVID-19. So let us get started right away. According to WHO, if you are eating chicken, keep in mind that it should be well cooked. Cooking the chicken at 70 degrees Celsius eliminates the bird flu virus. Try to protect yourself from slaughterhouses and those who are in contact with sick chickens or birds. Bird flu virus is also called avian influenza virus. The most common virus of bird flu is named H5N1. It is a dangerous virus that can also infect humans and other animals with birds. According to WHO, H5N1 was discovered in 1997. Infected with this virus, 60% of the cases died. The first case of infection came to the fore in Hong Kong in 1997. The virus spread to humans through infected chickens. From 2003, the virus began to spread to Asia, Europe and Africa, including China. In 2013, the case of human infection was also reported in China. The virus does not usually infect humans, but in some countries, there have been cases where the infection spread to humans. Its virus is usually found in water-dwelling ducks, but it spreads rapidly in the farm of chickens. The virus spread to humans when it comes into contact with infected chickens or their excreta. The virus lasts for a long time in the body when infection occurs. When birds are infected, the virus lasts for 10 days. It keeps out of the form of feces and saliva. Infection can occur when it touches or comes into contact. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention have prepared an influenza A H5 virus real-time RT-PCR test to detect viruses in infected humans. The report takes 4 hours to come. However, the investigation is not available worldwide. Doctor usually takes samples from the patient, white blood cells, that is WBC, and nose to check the virus. Symptoms of different viruses of bird flu may also be different. According to the symptoms, the treatment changes, usually treated with antiviral drugs. Bird flu has raised concerns across the country. It has been confirmed in 6 states so far. More than 84,775 birds have died in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. In many countries, the prices of chicken have fallen from Rs 30 to Rs 50 per kilo. So many places have been closed. In Madhya Pradesh, chicken shops were closed in Indore, Ujjain after the case surfaced. The prices of chicken and egg have also declined in several cities, including Jaipur, Ajmer, Ranchi and Varanasi. That's all for this video. If you found this video interesting, you should like and share it. And did you forget to subscribe my channel? You can still do it for such amazing facts. Meet you all in the next video soon.